Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. The power just went out and I'm gonna vlog my day because when the power's out and your food is going bad in your refrigerator, oh, and I have a pickup order, it's gonna be a good day. My dad came over and he planted my new little tree in my yard. So that's the newest addition. And then this is our fence area, and I just, my dad cut out new landscaping for us. I planted a daylily here, and then these little bushes are called blushing bride hydrangeas. I thought that'd be so perfect because I'm a wedding planner. It just kind of fit the overall theme. But now I want to get some things for the sides. I eventually want to plant tulips, but for right now I'm going to get some annuals, I think hot pink. So that's kind of my plan for today and where we're going to go next. And if you haven't watched my decorate video, these are my new porch chairs from Target. Flowers are from Grandin Road, so are the flower pots, and then the rug is from Amazon. I had to take my wreath down because we had a bird situation, but I'll link that video below as well. All right, so we are in an abandoned parking lot. Let me turn my music down. And I have my breakfast here on my lap, so I'm going to show you what I'm eating for breakfast. In this abandoned parking lot. It is what it is, people. It's steaming. It looks so good. I'm so excited to eat this. I'm starving. All right, I just finished my breakfast, and so basically today I have a Kroger pickup order where basically you just drive up and they put the groceries in your car, which is really nice for this time. I had to wait like a week, but that's fine. I've been planning out my meals like every 2 weeks, so that's good. And then I'm gonna go to our local greenhouse and I'm gonna try to find some pink flowers. I'm interested in pansies and dahlias, but I want them to be pink because my hydrangea bush is white with little touches of pink, so I want something a little bit brighter right there. Originally I was gonna do like black flowers, but with the mulch being black, I think it would kind of get lost and be kind of pointless to have black flowers, so I'm gonna do that. They said that our power may be restored by 3. We'll see, but the rain is starting and it's just kind of a weird day. But how's everyone doing? I'm like, okay, things definitely could be better in this quarantine, but I'm hanging in there. I haven't done like a little spend the day vlog with me in a really long time. David and I used to do them all the time together. If you're wondering where David is, he is currently deployed. So if you're like, where's David been? Where are these vlogs? I'm really sorry, guys. It's just been really hard, especially being in quarantine. So I've been trying to stick to a more like structured style of video, which is doing like my hauls and beauty reviews, especially while David's gone. But I hope you enjoy hanging out with me today. So in our neighborhood, we're doing little surprises and dropping them off on porches. So I got this person some cheddar cheese, corn, and some rosé and flowers with little pom-pom on this basket. So cute. So I'm gonna go deliver to her house, but I just thought that was such a cute idea that our neighborhood's doing. All right, so I just got back home. The rain is lightening up, so I'm gonna show you the flowers that I'm going to plant. And I'm gonna go outside and plant, even though it's kind of like sprinkling and stuff, but let's hope I don't get electrocuted with lightning. But I wanna show you the dahlias I got because I'm super excited. I brought these inside, but I bought these dahlia bulbs. So I'm gonna add those to my little flower bed. I'm quite excited about it. Right, here's the finished product. So I have my black petunias, my blushing bride hydrangea, there's the petunias. Everything looks to be doing good. Let me back up so you can see the finished product. How cute. Making pasta salad for my mom and I. We're going to have a little cookout today, but this pasta salad is different. I kind of made up the recipe. So what I put in my pasta salad is rotini noodles, cucumber, red pepper, red onion, and then I also put just a little bit of broccoli for some more color. And I make a peppercorn ranch pasta salad. So you're mostly going to use peppercorn ranch, but I also like to put, I would say, about a half cup of mayo inside the pasta salad just to thicken it up a little bit. Now, if you don't like mayo, you can just use the peppercorn ranch. And I do add goat cheese to it as well, but you can use other cheese like Parmesan or feta. I just don't like feta cheese, so that's what I'm gonna do next, and I'm gonna mix this up and kind of show you the end product. Mayo kind of grosses me out too, just so everybody knows. So I'm gonna mix this up and check the consistency and then add the goat cheese. All right, so I just sprinkled some goat cheese crumbles, the one that are pre-crumbled, and I'm gonna mix that in, and then I'm gonna let it sit until we're ready to eat. I like the noodles to kind of absorb the pasta. You can also add a little bit of more ranch and mayo if it absorbs a lot of it. While you're waiting to eat it, while it's soaking up in the refrigerator. All right, here's the finished product. It looks really good. It's already kind of soaking up, so I think I'm gonna have to add more before I serve it, but this is just kind of like the basics for you guys so you can see how I make my pasta salad, because it is obviously pretty different. Look at these beautiful flowers that were delivered today for our anniversary. They're so beautiful. I think these are irises. So pretty. Look. So sweet. I miss my husband so much. Such a nice, beautiful bouquet. It is such a sunny and nice day out. I know that this vlog was a little bit short. It was just really about me like gardening and doing some house projects this weekend, but I just want to say thank you for watching this vlog. As always, I appreciate everyone's support. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you later this week for more fashion and beauty videos. But I hope you enjoyed this little vlog of me at home working my booty off. Bye, guys.